Wow. Can you guys see how windy it is? That is crazy. Okay. All right. Sorry, I got distracted. Hi, my name is Kirsten Shope, and this is my introduction video for immunology at Doane University. This is the second class that I have taken at Doane University. Last semester I took biochemistry, and I really loved it and loved taking it in this format, especially since I'm working like I'm sure a lot of you are. It's super well paced, and I've enjoyed taking that class last semester. So I look forward to delving into immunology, and it's a topic I'm really excited about learning because I feel like a lot of the biology classes that I've taken that have discussed immunology kind of just glance over it and don't really delve too deep into it. So, other than that, a little bit about me. I'm from Asheville, North Carolina, which, as you can see, is incredibly windy and cold right now. I have loved living here. I have lived here my entire life, and I went to school here. I went to high school at an early college program where I went to school for 5 years, and I got my high school diploma and my 2 year associate's degree all paid for, which was very cool. And I also got a scholarship to the University of North Carolina at Asheville, and I got my biology degree from there, my bachelor's, in 2015. And since then, I worked as a scribe after I graduated, and I loved working with all the different doctors, writing all their doctor's notes. I worked in pediatrics, urology, cardiology, just a little bit of everything. And I really love doing that, but I'm trying to get into PA school, and a lot of PA schools do not accept scribing as a means of direct patient care. So from there, I ventured off and I tried to find jobs that had more direct hands-on patient care, and I ended up becoming a medical assistant at Mission Children's Specialists here in Asheville. It is an outpatient specialty hospital where we deal with all different types of pediatric ailments. The top floor of our building is all medical, so we deal with endocrinology issues, pulmonology, surgery, neuro, ortho, just a little bit of everything in that realm. And then the bottom half of our building is more behavioral health type things. So the Olson Huff Center, which I work at, deals with kids with autism, ADHD, things of that nature. And also the child safety team is in that part of the building where we deal with kids that have been sexually or physically abused. And then we also have the NICU follow-up clinic and physical therapy and occupational therapy where we help watch the development of kids that are in the NICU. So I've worked a little bit of everywhere in the pediatric realm, but I'm really excited to branch out once I get into PA school. Last year I applied and I got one interview with Wake Forest, which was amazing. I loved that experience. But I'm going to apply again and apply to several different schools this time and kind of cross my fingers for another interview. When I'm not working or working on school related things, I love to listen to music and read and be a stay-at-home daughter to my two wonderful parents. I owe all of my passion for medicine to my mom. She was actually diagnosed with a brain tumor when I was younger, around 6 years old, and they gave her about 3 months to live, and so we had her main surgery here. But since we weren't really liking the care here and we didn't have a cancer center here, we branched out to Wake Forest University to get her radiation and chemo treatments. And I'm happy to say that by the grace of God and the wonderful work that they did at Wake Forest, that she is going to be cancer-free 20 years this year. So I owe everything that I am. What am I trying to say here? I owe my passion to medicine to her, and I'm hoping to carry that passion into this class, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you.